Wes Black Tail and Teeth, Wes Poly Pickup Bands in action. You can't even hear that pickup. Look how quiet that is. Unbelievable quiet. All you hear are the belts on that round baler. Eric here with Wes Manufacturing, up here in rural Minnesota with Larry Wolven.
Right.
Larry, we put on our Wes Black Tail on Teeth, as well as our Wes Poly Pickup Bands. How you like them so far?
Fine. Real good. They're quiet. You don't hardly know the baler's running.
What's funny is we got out of the truck and you can hear the belt, but you cannot hear that pickup at all.
No, that's right. And it works fine over gopher mounts and little rocks. It's no problem.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. And the nice
Well
thing,
satisfied.
that's what it's all about.